Hey, real quick, before we dive in, if you've ever wished someone would just show you how to create and sell digital products using AI without wasting time or getting stuck in decision paralysis, listen up. The door to the Empowered Business Lab AI is officially open. This is my signature program for digital product creators who want a clear, proven path to build a scalable offer and use AI like a pro. You'll learn how to map your funnel, build your product, and write copy that converts with custom GPTs and tools I built just for you. And yes, you'll even get access to MonicaBot, my private AI trained on everything I've ever taught, ready to help you strategize 24/7. Head on over to empoweredbusinesslab.com to join us. Doors close on Wednesday, July 16th, and you'll save $1,500 if you join us now. Now, let's get into the episode. Welcome to the Empowered Business Podcast, where strategy meets action. I'm Monica Froese, and I'm here to help you create, sell, and scale digital products the smart way, using AI and proven strategies to build a sustainable, profitable business. If you're ready to turn your expertise into digital products that sell and eventually grow into a thriving digital shop, you're in the right place. Each week, I break down real-world tactics, unfiltered insights, and bold business moves. Because building a digital product business should be sustainable, scalable, and designed for long-term success. Let's ditch the fluff, leverage AI to work smarter, and turn your expertise into a thriving digital empire on your terms. Let's get started. Welcome back to the Empowered Business Podcast. I'm so excited to be here today to talk to you about one of the biggest untapped opportunities in your business right now, no-code apps. You may have heard this referred to as vibe coding, and honestly, I was just recently introduced to this by my good friend Jordan Gill, who was on a previous episode of the podcast that we'll link to in the show notes. If you sell digital products, run a shop, or manage an audience of any kind, no-code apps can change your business. And I'm so passionate about this that at the end of this month, I'm teaching an entire live workshop called Monetize Your Magic. But today, I want to give you the sneak peek, the 5 powerful ways no-code apps can bring in more leads, more sales, and more freedom in your business. So let's kick things off today with the most obvious and underrated way that you can use these no-code apps, lead generation. What if instead of offering another PDF checklist, you gave your audience access to a simple tool that does something for them? Think calculators, custom generators, quizzes, even interactive workflows that help people make a decision or get a quick win. And that's exactly what you want to happen with your lead gen. You want to give people a quick win. You want to give them a peek on how your stuff can give them a transformation. People love tools that save them time or help them see results fast. A bonus to this, these tools convert like crazy because they feel more valuable than a static freebie, certainly more valuable than a PDF. Add an email gate to the app and boom, you're growing your list with people who are already pre-qualified by the problem your tool solves. One of the ways I was thinking of using this in my business was creating a calculator based on my funnel tracking spreadsheet that allows people to project out what they can make with their digital product through the entire funnel process when they use paid ads or they use organic marketing. I could even create a calculator that helps people understand the power of their email marketing. It's pretty simple for them to download all of their data out of their email service provider and then upload it into an app that I create that then does the calculations and gives them real-time ideas based on AI on how they can improve their email performance. These are all lead gen opportunities that would naturally lead into my signature program, the Empowered Business Lab. All right, now let's talk about the second way you can use no-code apps, product enhancements. Think about this. You've already created the course or workshop or bundle. Now ask yourself, how can a no-code app make your offer even more valuable? Imagine this. You sell a copywriting course and add an AI-powered prompt generator. You run a budgeting workshop and include a customized spending tracker. You have a parenting bundle and drop in a meal planner or a screen time calculator. These tools can be offered as bonuses, upgrades, or embedded inside the product itself. You're not just selling knowledge anymore, you're giving people smart ways to use it. And I call these usability tools. I've been talking about this for a long time to my students, where we're entering the age where, especially in AI, that information and the how-tos, that seems very accessible with tools like ChatGPT. So the way we are going to be able to get our audiences to buy our digital products are by giving them the tools, the usability tools to actually see success with the transformation that we're offering. And no-code apps are a great way to do that and enhance our existing products. One of the ways I was thinking of using this as a product enhancement is I am working on a divorce planner called the Empowered Divorce Planner for the Redefining Mom brand. And I already released a portion of it called the Custody Clarity Binder. I was thinking for a product enhancement that I could include a custody app that allows the parents to communicate back and forth, especially when they are in a contentious custody situation. I actually already started building this inside of Lovable. That is the no-code software that I use to create these no-code apps. And I put in 3 prompts because you chat with Lovable just like you chat with ChatGPT. It's prompt-based. I put in 3 prompts and had an entire custody app built that matched the flow of my custody clarity planner. So this would be a really great product enhancement for that. The third way you can use no-code apps is to sell the tool by itself. One of my favorite things about no-code is how fast you can bring micro solutions to the market. We're talking tools that solve a specific problem that people will pay for. Examples of this could be a flash sale planner and tracker. You can let buyers input their discount, timeline, and product bundles to get instant promo copy, countdown emails, and average order value boosting strategies. Or an AI content repurposing blueprint generator where they upload a blog post or podcast episode and get a custom weekly content calendar that includes things like Instagram, email, Pinterest, and it's all based on format and tone. This could be a really powerful thing for me to create because I have very specific content repurposing strategies for my students, especially my shop students, where the more products you have, the more opportunity you have to increase your average order value. One of the ideas I had for my Redefining Mom audience was a post-divorce custody calendar generator where they input key custody terms, their school schedules, holidays, and the tool outputs a year-long shared calendar with notes for transition and logistics. You could create a craft supply inventory and project planner app. This is where they get a personalized digital tool where crafters can track supplies like yarn, fabric, beads, vinyl, all the things with quantity, cost, and storage location. They can input project ideas with supply lists and deadlines, get automatic notifications when they're low on key materials, organize seasonal or holiday craft plans with built-in templates. The ideas here are endless and really could apply to any niche. Think of these tools that are usable, useful, and sellable. The fourth way you can use no-code apps is for upsells, order bumps, or upgrades. If you're selling things like spreadsheets, checklists, or templates, ask yourself, what would the next level version of this product look like? And if you're trying to create an upgrade, ask yourself, would your customer pay more for it? That's where no-code tools come in. They let you take a static product and evolve it into a premium interactive experience that commands a higher price point and feels more valuable. Let's talk some examples. Let's say someone goes to buy my family budget spreadsheet in the Redefining Mom shop. I can offer them an upgrade to the Redefining Mom Money app, a no-code interactive tool that tracks their budget, calculates debt payoff, and sends spending alerts. Same transformation, just way more powerful and totally worth a higher price. Another example could be replacing a planner that you sell with a dynamic weekly dashboard. Instead of just a printable planner, imagine offering an interactive tool that auto-generates a weekly schedule based on your goals, time blocks, and recurring tasks. Now you're not just helping them plan, you're helping them stay accountable. Or you could elevate your templates into done-with-you tools. Selling email swipe copies? Cool. Now imagine a tool where they answer 5 questions and it builds the email for them. That's an instant upsell that feels magical and way more usable. This isn't about adding more stuff. It's about offering better solutions that make your original product look like the intro version and give your buyer a reason to invest more. And when you make the upgrade process seamless, pre-purchase, post-purchase, or inside your funnel, you're naturally increasing your average order value without extra convincing. And finally, the fifth way you can use no-code apps is replacing tools in your own tech stack. Okay, this is a big one for me because I have so many software tools that I pay for in my business, and I've been working really hard in 2025 to cut expenses. So what I did was I took a list of all the software that I use inside my business and I went to ChatGPT and I said, hey, here are the tools I use. Can I get a cheaper tool that's on the market or build a tool using Lovable and the no-code app builder to replace it? And it came back with some pretty cool ideas. The first one that I'm working on right now is replacing Advent, which I pay $350 a year for. And I used just a few simple prompts that ChatGPT gave me, put them into Lovable, and I already have a very sleek looking, customized to my brand Advent tool. So I don't intend on renewing that come September. And really, that is just the tip of the iceberg of what this tool can do for you to replace software in your tech stack. So go and do the same. Head on over to ChatGPT, take a list of the software that you are currently using in your business and say, hey, can a no-code app builder help me replace tools in my software stack? And if so, how? Here's the takeaway. You are sitting on magic. Your lived experience, your frameworks, your systems, they are all monetizable. And no-code tools are the bridge between what you know and what your audience will pay for. If you're even a little bit curious about how to get started, come join me live at the end of July 31st for the Monetize Your Magic workshop. I'll walk you through real examples, help you brainstorm your first or next tool, and show you exactly how to build it so you can launch it fast. You can grab your seat now over at empoweredbusiness.co/lovable, and we can build something brilliant together. Until next time, keep taking bold action and turning your ideas into income. That's a wrap on today's episode, but your next step starts right now. If you're serious about selling digital products and want the AI-powered tools, expert strategy, and real human support to make it happen, then you need to check out the Empowered Business Society. Inside, you'll get AI-driven trainings to create and sell digital products faster, a private community for expert feedback and real-time support, exclusive access to the Monica Memo podcast, and if you go pro, you'll get monthly marketing shortcuts, live Q&As, and 20% off of the Empowered Shop perpetually. Because smart business owners sell smarter, they don't work harder. And the best part, you can get started for as little as $9. The best business growth happens when AI and real humans work together. Ready to make your next move? Join us inside of the Empowered Business Society. You can check us out at empoweredbusiness.co/society. See you in the next episode.